Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to add lighting effects and mask animation to your logo in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, make sure your logo and background are in separate layers in your timeline. Position them properly and we're ready to go. Go to the Effects panel and search for Lighting Effects. Drag it onto the logo layer. Next, head over to Effects Control and adjust the Ambience Intensity. Feel free to modify it to match your style. Let's apply a mask. Select your logo layer, then click on the 4-point Polygon Mask tool. Place the mask outside the logo and resize it to make it long and diagonal. Now, let's create an animation. Apply a keyframe to the mask's position. The movement should go from left to right to create a smooth animation effect. Play it back and check if it looks good. Next, let's animate the background. Go to Effects Control, find Scale, and apply a keyframe. Increase or decrease the size slightly to create a subtle movement effect. Now let's preview our animation. If needed, adjust the keyframes to make it look smoother. Once you're happy with the animation, export your file. You can loop this in Premiere Pro or stream it using OBS for a dynamic background. And that's it. Now you have a cool logo animation with lighting effects and mask movement. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. See you in the next one. Happy editing!